All right, all right. Welcome, everybody. I'm reaching you from far away in Tanzania. I wanted to talk to you about one topic that I know is going to be a little tricky, which is compound probability. Um, the earlier probability addition, the or probability that should have been pretty fine, I think, with a little bit of practice. But I'm a little worried about compound probability, so I'm making this quick video. Okay, so that problem with Russian roulette, and of course we're going to talk about it as if it was a water gun. All right, you have a 1/6 chance of getting shot with a water gun. Let's look at a couple questions. So the idea with compound probability is it's a probability of one thing times the probability of the next thing times the probability of the next thing. If they're all the same, well, you just if it's like in this example, you're going to multiply the probability of one thing um, multiple times. Okay, so you'll see what I'm talking about. So if you fire this water gun 3 times, what is your chance you never get shot? Well, the chance that you don't get shot the first time is 5/6, right? Because there's only one water bullet in there. All right, chance of never getting shot is gonna be 5/6, and then it'll be times 5/6, and for the second one times 5/6 for the third one, because it doesn't change every single time you spin the water gun again and another water bullet. You have a 5/6 chance of being safe, right? Never getting shot. So it's 5/6 times 5/6 times 5/6, which of course is the same thing as 5/6 to the power of 3, right? I guess on this 3. Okay, and on a calculator that would give you all right, about, if we're rounding the nearest hundredth like I've asked you, I mean nearest tenth of a percent, 57.9%. So if you fire that gun 3 times, you have a 57.9% chance of being fine, right? And again, this is a water gun. No one's getting hurt here. Everybody's okay. In B, if you fire 3 times, what's the chance of getting shot each time? Again, as you can see, this is getting shot with water each time. So you fire it, you get shot. You put one out of the 6 chambers will have a water bullet again. You fire it, you get shot, and you restock the gun, and again. So fire 3 times. Each time you're really unlucky. You get shot each time. So 1 out of 6 for the first one, times 1 out of 6 for the next bullet, times for the next shot of the gun, 1 out of 6 for the third. So this time it's 1 out of 6 to the third power, right? And that on a calculator would give us very, very small, 0.5% chance. So you'd have to be really unlucky, 0.5% chance to get shot each time when you fire 3 times. Right? So now I'm also going to ask you questions which are kind of the opposite or the complement of those. So if you fire that gun 3 times, what's the chance of getting shot at least once? Well, if you think about it, that's the opposite of getting shot no times. So it's the opposite of not getting shot, right? So the chance that you're going to get wet, right? So you're going to get hit at least one time out of the 3 is the opposite that you'll never get shot, right? So little notes here. At least 1 is the opposite of 0. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in bold because that's so important. Oh boy, that's good stuff. All right, so at least 1 is the opposite of 0. So we said 0 up here was 57.9. So we'll just take 100% minus 57.9%, and that'll give us 42.1%. Okay, so the chance that you get shot at least once will be 42.1%. Right? If you fire 3 times, what is the chance of at least once not getting shot? So you're not going to be a total loser, right? A total loser gets shot every single time they fire this gun. What's the chance? I should say chance here. What's the chance of at least once not getting shot? Well, again, it's going to be the opposite of getting shot every time, right? So that's going to be 100% minus that 0.5%. 99.5%, you're going to feel good at least once, right? At least once. You're not going to get shot every time. That's the idea of compound probability. It'd be much the same if I said, if you fire the gun 10 times, what's your chance of never getting shot? Well, it'd be 5, 6 times 5, 6 times 5, 6 times 5, 6 times 5, 6, and so on to the 10th, so 10 times, right? That'd be 5, 6 to the 10th power. All right, that's the idea here. I hope you get it. Good luck. Can't wait to see you again. I miss you with every bone, every bone in my body, with every thought in my mind. I miss you like the desert misses the rain, all that.